job. There we go. Beautiful touchdown right there. Real landing on number 1. Top line nose from Lancaster, Ohio. Short final. That should be good. Boy from Indianapolis. Look at that. What a job. Bob Church, come on over here a second, Bob. Bob Church, come here. Here comes Glenn Foley. Right behind him is Ryan Patterson Jr. And Colonel Don Casper right behind him. There we go. Nice job. Now, being the professionals they are, they're going to form up in at the end of the runway, and they'll pack you in as a unit. That's the idea. In fact, when you go to the restroom at the hotel, you go in as a unit. These always got. Okay, there's Colonel Casper. F-105, Thunder Chief, the Thud Pilot. Those are the guys in Vietnam that put the most horrendous losses. They went in where other guys didn't want to go in. They put there was no. There comes our lead. Coming in first, just like he left. Lead, wide door, Lancaster, Ohio, the Navy SNJ. Number 2, the Wingman, Glenn Boy from Indianapolis, Indiana. And the Yak 52 tail wheel, the TW, designed for the Western market. Behind him, Ryan Patterson Jr., number 3 in the traditional Yak 52 pride gear. And then, of course, John Casper, number 4, coming into the slot. Now watch as they sit there. They're going to shut down in unison, just like they started. Shutdown.